Hey y'all, welcome to Aromagees Botanica. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So today I want to talk about some magical properties of cloves. By the way, you can get these at www.aromagees.com. Let me get you a close up there. These cloves. Oh, they smell so good. I love it. I use this in my personal practice. Oh yeah, so cloves can be burned to attract riches, increase money, bring in abundance. It also repels negative forces, envy, and stops gossip. And cloves can protect homes from harm and evil energies when used like in candle magic, or if you actually wear them. You can wear this inside of a mojo bag. Also, in some cases and in some traditions, cloves can be used in domination. But generally, folks in the magical community, at least in my experience, use them for riches and abundance. And if you'd like to get some cloves, you can get it at www.aromagees.com. And thank you so much for visiting us.